It's Sunday morning. We're gonna go ahead and make my dad's cast iron skillet home fries, starting with some bacon in a hot cast iron pan. We're gonna cook the bacon until it's browned and crispy. Once the bacon is rendered and it's crispy, we're going to remove it from the pan and put it on a paper towel to drain off the excess fat. We'll set that aside for now, but don't worry, it's coming back. Using the bacon grease that's still in the pan, we're going to go ahead and add our yellow onion. We'll cook the onion until it's translucent and begins to caramelize. Once it gets to that point, we're going to go ahead and add in our garlic. We're only going to cook the garlic for a moment or two until it begins to become fragrant. We'll mix it in with the onion, and then we're going to add in our potatoes, which are par-cooked. My dad would always use his leftover baked potatoes from the night before whenever my mother would make baked potatoes. She always undercooked them, so they were still a little bit stiff. Now we're going to season with some salt and then some pepper, and also one of my favorite seasonings is the Kinder's wood-fired garlic powder. I kind of put that in a lot of things. It just gives that extra next level garlicky flavor, but smoky at the same time. We'll give that a good mix, tossing the potatoes in with the onions and all the seasonings to make sure everything gets coated. Now I'm going to cover it and give it about 5 minutes to cook until the potatoes are tender, browned, and crispy. Once the potatoes are browned and perfectly delicious looking, we're going to re-add that bacon. By waiting until this step, the bacon doesn't overcook and it still remains nice and crispy, a nice little crunchy bite in these delicious cast iron skillet home fries. We're going to remove it from the pan and put it into a nice serving bowl so we can go ahead and serve it up to whoever wants some, which that's going to be everybody. Okay, this is the first bite taste test, and I'm going to have my sister Debbie here try them too.
I haven't had them in 20, 30 years.
Yeah.
Because I'm 18, I think, so it's more than that. 50 years.
It's probably been that long. Yeah?
Ooh.
Yeah, good. She likes, all right, let me try. Ooh, I got a lot of bacon there. Yep.
Excellent.
These are my dad's cast iron home fries. Oh wow, the bacon, it hits immediately. And the potatoes are crispy. You could taste the sweet onions. Yeah, I think Dad would be proud.
I think so too.
I think he'd be proud. I did a good job. Good job, Jen. This is all cast iron skillet.
Thumbs up.
Yep. My dad, he never washed that skillet, by the way.
We weren't allowed.
Nope.
We get yelled at if we did.
If we washed the skillet, we would be in deep, deep trouble. That was definitely, he'd just wipe it out with paper towel and use it every time. But yeah, that was delicious. Yum. Thanks for joining me on my dad's cast iron skillet potatoes. Hope you try it. Drop it in the comments if you do. Thanks for watching, and if you want the recipe, just drop the word recipe in the comments below and I'll send you a PDF of the recipe. If you liked the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Have a great day.